Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many traders choose MetaTrader 5 because it's so versatile and offers a wide range of features. It's designed to help you analyze markets, place trades, and even automate your strategies. If you're looking to dive into the world of online trading, connecting to a brokerage account through MT5 is a fantastic first step, making it much easier to manage your investments. Finding the right broker is absolutely essential for your trading journey. You'll want one that offers MT5, of course, but also prioritizes your security. Always check for proper regulation, as this protects your investments. Take some time to compare their offerings, including what you can trade and how they support their clients, to make the best choice for your needs. Now, head over to your chosen broker's website. You'll usually find a prominent Sign Up or Open Account button. Clicking this will guide you through entering your basic personal details. Just fill out the forms with your information, making sure everything is correct. It's a straightforward process designed to get you started quickly and efficiently. After registering, your broker will ask you to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure. You'll typically upload a copy of your ID and a utility bill or bank statement. Once your account is verified, you can easily deposit funds. Brokers usually offer several convenient payment options, allowing you to choose what works best for you and get ready to trade. Finally, it's time to connect your brokerage account to the MetaTrader 5 platform. Simply download MT5 from your broker's site or the official MetaQuotes website. Once installed, open the platform, go to File, then open an account and search for your broker. Enter the login credentials they provided, and you'll be connected, ready to start your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.